First, click Products and Items. Scroll down and select Modifiers. To add a new modifier, select Add Modifier button. Next, you'll give your modifier a name. Add taxes. Select your kitchen printer. By turning these toggles on and off, you will change the way that the modifier is printed to the kitchen. Maximum number of times is the number that this modifier can be clicked on the POS. You can add a modifier group by selecting Modifier Width. To set the price on the modifier level, turn this toggle on. You can change the color of the modifier by selecting a color here. By turning on Show Modifier, you'll be able to use this modifier under the modifier on the POS. Select Next to change your prefixes and serving size levels. To add a new prefix, select Add Prefix button. Name your prefix. You can set the price of this prefix once selected here. Once you're finished, click Save and Publish. First, click Products and Items. Next, click Modifier Groups. To add a new modifier group, click Add Modifier Group button. Name your modifier group. To add modifiers, you can select some options from the drop-down. You can change the priority, make it a pizza topping, set pricing, sort A to Z, Z to A, or a custom sort. Last, once you've created your modifier group, save and publish.